Your belly fat is slowly killing you. Not slowly, actually. It is happening right now inside your body. And the oil sitting in your kitchen, the one you think is healthy, it is making everything worse. I'm going to show you a test tonight. It takes 10 seconds. It will tell you immediately if your olive oil is real, or if it is quietly poisoning your metabolism every single day. Stay until the end. That test alone is worth your time. Here is what we are covering today. First, why visceral fat is deadlier than you think. Second, the compounds inside real olive oil that burn it. Third, why 80% of olive oil on shelves is fake. And fourth, that 10-second test you can do at home tonight. Let us get into it. Most people think belly fat is just ugly. That thinking is wrong, and it is dangerous. Visceral fat is not sitting under your skin. It is wrapped around your liver, your heart, your pancreas. It is suffocating your organs right now from the inside. And here is what doctors rarely say out loud. Visceral fat is metabolically active. That means it is not passive storage. It is constantly pumping inflammatory chemicals into your blood, every single hour without stopping. These chemicals are called tumor necrosis factor alpha and nuclear factor kappa beta. They tell your body to store more fat and produce less energy. They accelerate aging at the cellular level. The research on this is not unclear. High visceral fat directly links to type 2 diabetes. It links to fatty liver disease, heart failure, and early death. Not possibly linked, directly linked. And here is the part that shocks most people. You can look completely normal and still have dangerous visceral fat. Doctors call it TOFI, thin outside, fat inside. So if you crash in the afternoon, if your joints ache for no reason, if you cannot lose that stubborn layer no matter what you try, your body is already sending you the signal. Now here is where it gets genuinely interesting. Inside every cell, you have two competing metabolic switches. The first is called mTOR. That is your growth signal. It tells your cells to multiply, store energy, and build up. The second is called AMPK. That is your cellular cleanup and repair signal. It tells your body to burn stored fat and flush out damaged proteins. When you eat processed food all day and never fast, mTOR wins. AMPK is barely running. That imbalance is the exact reason visceral fat keeps building. That imbalance is why cells age faster and stop working properly. Now, fasting is the most powerful way to activate AMPK, but most people will not do extended fasts consistently, and that is exactly where real olive oil becomes extraordinary. There are 3 polyphenols inside genuine extra virgin olive oil. They are called oleuropein, hydroxytyrosol, and oleocanthal. These compounds have been confirmed by science to do one remarkable thing. They activate AMPK and suppress mTOR without fasting. They trick your body into its own deep fat burning repair mode. Your cells begin breaking down damaged and aging proteins. Your mitochondria start producing energy more efficiently, and your body begins targeting visceral fat directly. Oleocanthal in particular has been called nature's ibuprofen. That is how powerful it is as a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Better blood pressure, sharper brain function, lower LDL cholesterol, and improved insulin sensitivity all follow from that same biological process. This is not a supplement. This is liquid medicine, if you get the right kind. Here is the part nobody in the industry will tell you. A major investigation found that over 80% of olive oils sold in stores are adulterated with cheaper oils. Canola oil, soybean oil, corn oil. These are the exact inflammatory oils you are trying to get away from. So if you are using fake olive oil every day, you are not fixing the problem. You are directly feeding the inflammation driving your visceral fat. And the labels are designed to fool you. A bottle can say extra virgin on the front and still be 50% canola inside. That is legal in many markets. That is how broken the system is. I had a patient, let us call her Sarah. She was exhausted, her joints ached, she could not shift the same weight for 3 years. She was already using olive oil every day. She thought she was doing everything right. I asked her to show me the bottle. Big supermarket brand, clear plastic container, sitting directly on her kitchen counter in full sunlight. 3 strikes right there. Wrong quality, wrong bottle, wrong storage. Once she switched to what I am about to describe, everything changed. 6 kilograms gone in the first 5 weeks. Her joint pain dropped significantly. The afternoon energy crash disappeared completely. Same diet, same exercise routine. One change. Let me make this specific and simple. You need an extra virgin olive oil with at least 500 milligrams of polyphenols per kilogram. Most commercial oils sit between 100 and 250. That range is not enough to trigger the metabolic effects we just discussed. You need fresh pressed oil from the current harvest season. Polyphenols degrade fast with time, heat, and light exposure. The older the oil, the less effective it becomes. Full stop. You need a dark glass bottle, not clear plastic. Clear containers allow light to destroy polyphenols before you even open it. You need a harvest date printed on the label, not a best before date, a harvest date. If there is no harvest date on that label, put it back on the shelf. Once opened, use the entire bottle within 4 to 6 weeks. Oxygen degrades the active compounds rapidly after opening. And the price is a signal. A genuine high polyphenol extra virgin olive oil costs between $40 and $60. For a 16-ounce bottle, that is the real price point. If you are paying $15 or less, you are almost certainly not getting it. Stop thinking about this as cooking oil. Start thinking about it as the most cost-effective supplement you can buy. I promised you this at the beginning. Here it is. Pour 1 tablespoon of your current olive oil. Hold it in your mouth for 10 full seconds. Real high polyphenol extra virgin olive oil does one specific thing. It produces a distinct, peppery, slightly bitter sensation at the back of your throat. Some people cough lightly. That is the oleocanthal you are feeling. That sensation is your proof. If the oil is bland, tasteless, or just greasy with zero bite, it has been compromised. Diluted, oxidized, or never real in the first place. Throw it out. Seriously, throw it out tonight. That oil is working against you every single day you use it. Now here is exactly how to take the real version for maximum fat-burning results. 1 tablespoon with your first meal of the day. 1 tablespoon with your second meal. Do not cook with it at high heat. Heat destroys the polyphenols that make it work. Take it raw, drizzled on food, or straight from the spoon. And critically, use it as a replacement for the other oils in your diet, not on top of everything else you are already eating. Remove the seed oils completely. Choose leaner cuts of meat. Let the olive oil replace those calories, not add to them. So let us bring this all together. Visceral fat is not a cosmetic problem. It is an active inflammatory crisis happening inside your body right now. The right olive oil, used consistently and correctly, activates the exact pathways that target visceral fat at the source. But the wrong olive oil, which is most olive oil on shelves today, does the opposite. It adds fuel to the fire you are trying to put out. You now have the 10-second test. Use it tonight. If your oil passes, great. Start using it the right way. If it fails, you now know exactly what to look for when you replace it. One switch. Serious science, real results. You just learned something most people will never know. Think about that for a second. Millions of people are pouring fake oil on their food right now. They think they are being healthy. They are feeding the exact inflammation they are trying to fight. But you are different now. You have the test. You have the knowledge. And that changes everything. So here's what I want you to do right now. Do not scroll past this. Go to your kitchen tonight and run that 10-second test. Hold 1 tablespoon in your mouth for 10 full seconds. If you feel that peppery bite at the back of your throat, you are good. If you feel nothing, you now know exactly what to do. One switch. That is all it takes to start changing your metabolic health from the inside. Now, if this video gave you real value today, do one simple thing for me. Hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second and it tells the algorithm this content deserves to reach more people who are tired, inflamed, and fighting the same battle you are. Hit subscribe so you never miss a video like this one. Every week, I bring you the science that the mainstream is too slow to talk about, and you deserve to hear it first. Drop a comment below right now. Tell me one thing. What did your olive oil taste like after the test? Bland and greasy, or did it give you that real bite? I read every single comment personally. Your answer helps me understand exactly what you are dealing with. And share this video with one person today. One person in your life who is struggling with their weight, their energy, their inflammation. They do not need another fad diet. They do not need another expensive supplement. They need this information. That share could genuinely be the turning point for someone you care about. This is not just content. This is the kind of knowledge that actually changes lives. And I will see you in the next video.